there was nothing, like no microorganisms or invertebrates inside of the soil. That was the first thing that we did here, was regenerating the soil. Not every part of our soil is fully thriving yet. And so what we did was planting a lot of beans, which is these ones here. Because beans, they fix nitrogen. This is the water that is coming right now from the kitchen, and some of the other bathrooms are also connected to it, and it goes into the banana circle. Bananas need a lot of water, so we're just using this water to feed all the bananas and the taro, which is this one. That's why it's important that we use all natural products so they don't contaminate the soil and the ground. Here we have some herbs. We usually make tea or infusions.
This is our digital detox closet. You all have dedicated parts of it with your name for you to store your electronics when you're done working.
Everything is taken care of in terms of food. Only the dinner we self-organize a little bit.
Just in general for the garden as well, be mindful with what you pick. There's a lot of people coming in and out of this project and this community. We can't take too much from the garden, especially like flowers also.
Now we are super happy. There is Carmita there. She's an 85 years old woman you see her in the garden. There is always a beautiful exchange of fruits and veggies.